read lots of articles and watched tons of videos on how to get rid of hard water stains in the toilet. Some of the stuff just seems unreal, but if you look here, I mean, it's not super horrible, but it drives me crazy. I cannot get rid of these hard water stains, and I've tried everything. So there's some things that I use to keep my toilet maintained. I use the Clorox gel, which is really helpful. The Clorox tablets work really great. I love them. They're supposed to last a few months. Mine only lasts like 2 months, but they're very helpful. And then the other thing I've used is the Scouring Stone, which this is the one that people just kind of question, thinking it's going to scratch up their toilets, but I have found it helpful. Some other things that I've tried with minimal success have been the vinegar and baking soda with a little bit of Dawn soap. I've tried Lime Away, Barkeeper's Friend, and then of course I've tried the Coke Remedy, and really not the results that I'm looking for. So I recently learned that this drywall sanding screen is supposed to be better on the porcelain toilets than using the Scouring Stone. So I'm going to give that a try. You want to make sure that you buy the screen. I accidentally bought the sandpaper, the first one, so it'll say sanding screen, and it's got little holes in it. And then you also want to make sure that you purchase fine. So we're going to give that a try. I'm actually going to use it along with Barkeeper's Friend and some gloves. I just cut a little piece of the drywall screen, don't need much, so this is definitely going to last a long time. It does have kind of a rough feel to it, but we're going to go ahead and try it out. All right, we're going to go ahead and start with sprinkling some of the Barkeeper's Friend around, and then I'm going to go ahead and just start scrubbing with the drywall screen. Yeah, my toilet is not horrible, but just the hard water from where I live is just really rough on the toilet, and so I really hate the way it looks. I'm going to scrub, 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 and actually continue to scrub for about 10 minutes. All right, I'm tired now, so I'm going to go ahead and flush. Probably could be better if I continued to scrub, but I think that that's a good enough for first try. Just, I can feel that it's definitely cleaner. Some spots in the back were a little bit harder to reach. So here's a quick look at the before, and then here's the after. So you can see that it did clean the toilet. I'll continue to use the drywall screen, mainly because it's better than the Scouring Stone on the toilets, and overall, it did the job.